Hello, my name is Julia and this is Space Daily News channel. India has taken a big step toward the first launch of its manned spacecraft into space. On Saturday, October 21st, India tested an emergency escape system that, if problems arise during launch, is supposed to separate the manned capsule from the rocket and take it to a safe distance. This is an essential system for manned launches that India plans to launch under the Gaganyaan program. In a test dubbed TVD-1, a test version of the manned Gaganyaan module with the crew escape system installed on it was launched from the Satish Dhawan Space Center. The spacecraft was launched by a single-stage liquid-fueled launch vehicle built specifically for this test. The module with the emergency escape system separated from the rocket at an altitude of about 12 kilometers, after which the emergency escape system turned on its engines. The module separated from the system at an altitude of about 17 kilometers above the Earth's surface, after which it deployed its parachutes and descended safely, making a soft landing in the sea about 10 kilometers off the coast. According to the Indian Space Research Organization, all the tasks envisaged in the flight plan were completed successfully. The Gaganyaan manned module being developed by India is to become the basis of India's manned spaceflight program. It's designed to carry 3 people, and in the future it's planned to be equipped with a rendezvous and docking system. The module will have a mass of 8.2 tons when fueled, a diameter of 3.5 meters and a height of about 3.5 meters. During the first manned flight, which will take place in 2025, the capsule with 3 crew members is expected to be launched into low Earth orbit, where the Indian astronauts will spend about 7 days before landing in the Bay of Bengal. India's space program is currently being actively developed. In August, India for the first time landed the Chandrayaan-3 landing module with a small lunar rover near the Moon's south pole, where large reservoirs of water ice are believed to be located. And in early September, India launched its first-ever solar probe, Aditya-1. The spacecraft will study our star from an orbit at Lagrangian point 1, located about 1.5 million kilometers from our Earth. India also has very ambitious plans for a manned program. Recently, India's Space Research Organization announced that the country will have an orbit and space station by 2035, and Indian astronauts will travel to the Moon by 2040. Well, we'll just have to wait and see. Space Daily News, like, share, and subscribe.